Look up at the night sky tonight. What do you see? Pinpricks of light. Distant suns. Each one is a massive furnace, burning with incredible power. For thousands of years, humanity has looked at them, wondering, are we alone? Are there others out there, looking back? But what if some of those pinpricks of light aren't just natural wonders? What if, among the cosmic dust and gas, there are objects so huge, so bold, that they challenge our understanding of what a civilization can achieve? Structures not formed by nature, but by intelligence. Structures built to collect the energy of an entire sun. This is the story of the Dyson sphere. A concept created by a visionary, a dream of ultimate power, and a real-world space mystery that made us question if we've already discovered one. The visionary and the idea. Our journey begins not in a spaceship, but in the mind of a brilliant physicist named Freeman Dyson. In 1960, Dyson published a paper not about building ships, but about how an advanced alien civilization would build them. He suggested that any civilization, given enough time and technological progress, would eventually reach an energy limit on their home planet. Think about us. Our energy needs are growing. We use solar, wind, and fossil fuels. But imagine a society that has been around for tens of thousands, even millions of years. They would need energy on a scale we can barely imagine. And where is the biggest energy source in any solar system? The star itself. Dyson realized that to truly become a K2 civilization on the KARDASHEV scale, a scale that measures a civilization's technological development based on its energy consumption, you would need to capture all of your star's energy output. Not just a part, but all of it. And how do you do that? You build around it. Not necessarily a solid shell, which would be unstable and impractical, but a swarm of habitats, solar collectors, and power stations, all orbiting and surrounding the star. A Dyson swarm, or more generally, a Dyson sphere. Imagine the resources needed. Entire planets dismantled for raw materials. The engineering would be on a scale that makes our largest projects look like child's play. But also, imagine the power. Unlimited energy, enabling possibilities we can only dream of, interstellar travel, terraforming entire worlds, and powering networks of computation beyond anything we can fathom. This isn't just technology, it's a statement of control over a solar system. The search and the alien megastructure. So, if Dyson spheres are the next logical step for any super-advanced civilization, where are they? Scientists have been searching. A Dyson sphere wouldn't shine like a typical star. A star surrounded by a swarm of collectors would still emit energy, but that energy would be absorbed and then released as waste heat, mostly in the infrared spectrum. So, to find them, you look for stars that are dimmer in visible light but exceptionally bright in infrared. It's like looking for a person wearing a thick winter coat in summer. They're giving off heat, but not in the usual way you'd expect. For decades, it was a theoretical search. Until 2015. A citizen science project called Planet Hunters was analyzing data from NASA's Kepler Space Telescope. Their mission was to identify dips in starlight that could show exoplanets passing in front of their stars. But then they found KIC 846-2852, informally known as TABBY'S STAR, after astronomer Tabitha Bayagian. The dips in KIC 846-2852's light were unlike anything ever seen. Instead of regular, shallow dips, this star's light fluctuated wildly, sometimes dimming by as much as 22% for unpredictable periods. Imagine a dimmer switch being randomly flicked, sometimes dramatically, sometimes subtly. What do you think about it? Comment about your opinion. And if you liked this video, please subscribe Science Mania.